Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I welcome you to this channel which is dedicated towards English speaking. And so I've been uploading multiple videos on this YouTube channel for a person who is beginner and who want to basically build his confidence and want to express himself towards random peoples and talking to strangers. So this is most of the people's feared of, but yeah, I just want to express myself. So that's why I basically come in this YouTube channel. So today I'm going to listen my previous video which I already uploaded and just seeing what are the things which I can basically change and which are the things which I can improve. So this is the agenda of today's video, and just going to listen my previous video which I uploaded, and there is one cue card which I have spoken about it. So I'm going to start the video. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. From here, I think I will started on English. So there is one thing which I basically. So from here I will started speaking on cue card. So let's jump into what are the things which I can change and which I can improve. Like doing occasionally, that is river rafting, and it was a time when I visited Rishikesh, and over there I just do river rafting because I love too much to basically be with the river, and I do have a habit of uh, doing adventurous activity, but there is nothing like that we can do uh, apart from now in the cities. So that's why I visit Rishikesh to do that, and there is a lot of activity which I have done, and so I visited with my friends two times in a year. There is like in a in a summers where there is a lot of hot in the cities, so because of that we move to the mountain places over there in the peak season. Because of that we have to pay hefty charges, like in the peak season, as you know, like most of the people who are living in cities, they likely to visit in the weekend, and over that time period there is too much rush, and because of there is limited people want to visit. But yeah, if we visited in Rishikesh, so we definitely do the river rafting with my friends, because it's feels very happy and enjoyable at the moment, because we need to put a lot of efforts while like rafting the boat basically. And over that you will feel like how nature works, and there's a lot of activity we can able to do while rafting. Like we do have a life saving jacket over by wearing that we can basically dive in the river, and we can do the fun activities. So yeah, it was a memorable things, and it was expensive as well, because it costs a lot of money to basically do that activities, because we travel basically 300 to 400 kilometer from our place. So, and there is time as well we spend. And so yeah, this is all about the cue card. I hope you find out. So this is the things basically I uploaded video yesterday, and so there are some major issues, such as there is a very limited amount of knowledge I've said regarding the expensive thing. And along with that, I need to basically elaborate myself more regarding different activities and what are the things which I can add in this video. Please comment in the box, because I currently I didn't know what are the things I can actually put on to speak. But yeah, there is the structure will be same: who, what, why, how, where, when. These are all the things very common to every cue card, because this is what gives you the content over speaking on some sort of cue card. So on today's video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful, and you can also record yourself and listen yourself, because that helps you to build confidence over yourself, because you are keep listening your videos or audios. This helps basically to believing in yourself. That is most important part. So bye bye, have a good day.